Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using Wyre-like workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a crypto wallet set up and funded with the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Open your crypto wallet application on your device. Navigate to the send or transfer option within the wallet. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid mistakes. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Review any transaction fees associated with the transfer. Confirm the transaction details are correct. If required, add a memo or note for the recipient. Proceed to authenticate the transaction, typically using a password or security feature. Submit the transaction for processing by tapping the Send or Confirm button. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain network. The time it takes for confirmation can vary depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, both you and the recipient will receive notifications of the transfer. Check your wallet balance to ensure the correct amount has been deducted. Inform the recipient to check their wallet for the incoming funds. If using a service similar to Wyre, revisit the platform to track the transaction. You can often find transaction details in the transaction history of your wallet. For added transparency, provide the transaction ID to the recipient. Be aware of security practices and never share your private keys. Consider using two-factor authentication for additional security. Educate yourself on the specific requirements of the coins you are using, as some may have unique procedures. Now you have successfully transferred cryptocurrency using a Wyre-like workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.